Last night, a weary traveler arrived at the arena where the final act of his destiny shall play out.
To win. Oh yeah.